Before you waste your money on transition packs, try out this mind-blowing transition, and it's also very easy to create that you can also create it in DaVinci Resolve. So let's hop in. So we are in DaVinci Resolve and I have two clips, okay, these footage, and I will give the assets in the linked in the description. And to find footages like this, you can find them from Mixkit, Pixabay or YouTube by searching. And if you want to use mine, I will link them below in the description. So let's start. First we will upload this clip, okay, and this will be our second clip. So the frame of our slam transition is like, because today in this video we are going to create the slam transition, so this clip is gonna be slammed on this clip like this. I will first get this tired zoom from here, then this clip will be spammed, okay. So for that, let's keep this much as it is, okay. Then we will cut this much part and select this clip, go in the here in the inspector, scroll a little and select speed change, and then press on this snowflake icon. This will freeze the frame, okay. Now move this one layer up. If you don't have a layer, just create it by right click, add track, okay, add track. This will add another track. I already have a track, so I will move it something like this. And to complete this clip again, we will extend it from here. So our clip is again as it was. So let's make this thing bigger, this much, okay. Okay, this is the perfect size. Now by selecting this clip, go here in the color page, okay, and select this circle mask and mask it out. If you want to make its width bigger, so select from the boundary of this side boundary of the width side and extend it from here. And if you want to move it right or left, you can select it from the between, okay, and extend it up from here, okay, something like this we want. After masking out this tire, you have to right click in this area, in this node area, right click, and this option you will get at alpha output. Just click on it. Then you should get this blue icon, this one. Then connect it from dragging this blue icon, something like this, and then leave here. It will connect. So it will remove the background, nothing else. Now you can edit this mask, because now we can see the background. So this is a good mask. Go in the edit page, right click on this clip and go in fusion page. Right now you will not see the tire, you will see the whole clip. So for that, you have to right click on this clip and press new compound clip. It will create a compound clip. Now go in the fusion page. Now you do not see the background, okay. So this clip is of 11 frames. Go in the starting frame, okay. Make sure you have pressed this media in 1. Press here, it will add a transform node. Or the second way is shift plus space and write transform. You will have to add this transform XF. These both are the same nodes, okay. After adding the transform, make sure you are on the first frame, make the size 0 and add this keyframe. Click on this diamond icon in front of the size. Now go on the 11th frame, which is the last frame of the clip, and make it the normal size again, which it was, or you can just write here 1. This is the default size. Okay, right now it's not smooth. Okay, so to make it smoother, you have to go in the spline. So to make it smoother, you have to go in the spline and select size. So to make it smoother, you have to go in the spline and select this size. Okay, if it's not selected, just click on it. Okay, and then press this button. It will zoom to fit, something like this. Now press in this spline box, left click. Okay, it will select the spline box, and now press command A and S. Okay, and now grab this handle and move it something like this. Make it the way I am doing. Okay, so it will make it smoother. Let's go in the first frame. See, it's very smooth. So let's now go in the inspector and make sure you have selected the transform, and go here in settings and turn on motion blur. Okay, you have to go in the middle of the clip to see the motion blur. From here we can understand the motion blur, and you can change the shutter angle, the quality. Okay, let's make the shutter angle something this much. Okay, so this looks good. This motion blur adds very good look, something like this. Okay, so now the last step is go in the effects tab, add a adjustment clip. Okay, and now we have to cut it. So come here in the between the both clips, the first clip and the second clip, go 3 frames here, 1, 2, 3, and select this adjustment layer and cut it by pressing command B, or you can cut it from here. Now from the middle, again come to the right side with 3 frames, 1, 2, 3. You can count it again, 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 frames the both side. Now delete the rest of the adjustment layer. Okay, and now by going in the edit page, right clicking on this adjustment layer and go open in Fusion page. Okay, and now come here in the middle. This is the second clip and this is the first clip. Okay, so here we have to add a camera shake. So to add camera shake, we have to press shift plus space, camera shake, add. And after adding a camera shake, we have to increase the overall strength to the max and the speed to max. Go on the first frame. Okay, select the both diamond icons, the diamond icons of both, of this also and this also. Okay, and now come on the last frame, which is the 5th frame, according to the size of my adjustment clip. Okay, make it 0. And now the second thing is to select the media in one, press shift plus space and add directional blur. This thing, you have to select this and press add or enter. Okay. Now increase the glow which you like. I like this much. Okay, this much. You have to come on the first frame, add a keyframe, come on the last frame and make it 0. Okay, and the last step is to come here in the camera shake, change the edges to mirror. Okay, now our effect is ready. If you see, it looks something like this. It's a very cool effect and very easy to make. It's very punchy and very good in looking, something like this. Okay, and while making this effect in playback, my laptop is a little bit lagging, so I can just do is in playback and go in timeline resolution, make it half, so now you can see it smoothly. Okay, this is how our effect looks smoothly. Okay, it looks very good. You can add more adjustment in it, like if you want to make the slam effect bigger, make one frame more here and one frame here more, something like this. You see, you can edit yourself. So I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, share the videos with others, and till then, bye bye.